Hi guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing it's kind of been my everyday look for a while, for a couple weeks, but it's this smoky eye look. I've already done it on one of my eyes, just because it's going to be quicker to do it that way. So I'm just going to show you guys this. I've been wearing it probably in the past, just about every video I've filmed in the past like 2 weeks probably, and I've been really loving it. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit, and then we'll get started. Okay, it's probably close enough to my ugly face. Too close. Alright, there we go. So I've been using this Avon palette here. You probably can't see it. It's the Avon Makeup Artist palette. Avon itself doesn't sell this anymore, but I did find it on eBay, so I will have it linked below, as well as everything else that I've used in this video. So I'm going to start by taking this Vicente. It's a concealer buffer, but I like it for eyeshadow personally. It's a fluffy brush, but it's really dense. Well, not extremely, but it's really good for the crease, I think. And I'm just gonna take this nice brown shade here. Sorry, my camera's like foggy when you get really zoomed up, but I'm just gonna take this and do this in my crease. I start right through here, and I kind of do it in like a V. Well, like, not like a V, but like a really sharp, like, triangle kind of. Just like that. And the shadow blends really easily. It's really beautiful. And then after that, I'm going to take this brown shade right here. And I'm just going to build up that crease a little bit more, but this one I'm mainly keeping in the crease. The other I took it somewhat above, but this one's staying pretty much just in the crease and on this little part right here on the outer corner. Then I'm going to take this next shade right beside it, and I'm going to keep it a little bit more on the outer part of the crease. Still going into the crease a little bit, but not very much. And then finally, just for the outer corner, I'm taking this dark brownish black shade here. And all of these crease shades are matte, by the way. And I'm leaving it just right here. Just packing it on. And then I'm going to just clean it up a little bit. I'm just using a tissue. I'm just straightening that line a little bit. And then I'm just going to take a flat brush from, this is the Luxie 239 Precise Shader Brush. It's just like a flat eyeshadow brush. It's really nice, it's really soft. And I'm just going to take this gold shade right here. And I'm just going to pack this on my lid, keeping it on the inner corner. And then I'm just going to take this clean blending brush. It's an eye smudge brush. It doesn't have a brand. I'll try to find these. It's got like a little wooden handle. I know I got them at Walmart. I just can't remember the brand. And I'm just gonna, there's nothing on this brush. I'm just gonna blend through the crease a little bit to make sure everything is blended nicely. And that's it for the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go into my eyeliner. This is the Absolute New York Nano Liner. And I love this stuff. It's so good. It's really great for sensitive eyes. It's got a really tiny tip, so it's really easy to get in the inner corner and everything with it. And like I said, I have really sensitive eyes, and this does not bother my eyes at all. And I know it's going to bother everyone else, but I really don't care if my eyeliner is 100% perfect with my wings. Like, as long as they both have wings and they look somewhat similar, I'm happy. So there we go. And it dries really fast as well. Those actually don't look too bad. They look somewhat similar. I think this one's just a little bit thicker, but that's okay. That's fine. Doesn't really matter to me. And then for mascara today, I'm using the Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara. This isn't my favorite, but it's the one I grabbed. So I usually don't have a go-to mascara. I just use whatever I grab. I keep a bunch in a little box in my makeup area, so I just use whatever I grab. And normally with this look I would wear false lashes, but I'm actually out of glue. But I feel like for every day you don't need lashes with this. Because this is supposed to be like a daytime smoky eye. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys recreate this look, don't forget to send me a picture of it on my Instagram. It's linked down below, as well as all my other social media. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So all my other social media is linked down below if you want to send me a picture of this look if you recreate it. And like I said, all of the products I used in this video are linked down below. And if you guys have any other video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. And give me your feedback as well. I love hearing your guys' feedback on my videos. And I think that's it for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!